बच्चों यहाँ पे हम लोगों का यहाँ पे जो क्वेश्चन दे रखा है, ठीक है। यहाँ पे बोल रहा है कि माइक्रोस्कोपिक फॉर्म ऑफ ओहम्स लॉ इन यूजुअल नोटेशन इज, ठीक है। तो हम लोग को पता करना है व्हाट इज द माइक्रोस्कोपिक फॉर्म ऑफ ओहम्स लॉ, ठीक है। तो उसके लिए जो की कॉन्सेप्ट लगेगा, ठीक है, वो है कि कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ ड्रिफ्ट वेलोसिटी, ठीक है। सो वी नो drift velocity, that is Vd, equal to small e capital E by m tau, where E actually charge of electron, we can say, and capital E actually electric field applied, ठीक है। and tau equal to relaxation time, that means time between two collision, okay. and m actually mass of electron, ठीक है। तो also we know I equal to NeAVD, okay, where N equal to, I mean, electron density, we can say, or we can say number of electrons per unit volume, ठीक है। and EA we know, so A actually cross sectional area, we can say cross sectional area, ठीक है। and I we know that is the current, ठीक है। तो यहाँ पे current density equal to what, you can say current density, that is termed as J, equal to I by A, that is NeVd, ओके। हम लोग लिख सकते हैं and Vd equal to, I am just putting the value Vd, that is small e capital E by m tau, we can say, because Vd equal to this into tau. So this is actually acceleration, okay. We can write like this. So we can write J equal to n e square tau by m into E, okay. So conductivity equal to this, so we can say J equal to sigma E, okay, where sigma actually conductivity, okay. So conductivity, that is sigma equal to n e square tau by m, okay. So finally the microscopic form is form of Ohm's law, J equal to sigma E. So where current density actually vector quantity and this is also vector quantity. So this is our final answer. So हम लोग को देखना है कौन सा ऑप्शन करेक्ट है, ठीक है। तो पहला ऑप्शन इज करेक्ट, ओके। So I hope this answered your question correctly. Thank you everyone.